What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Verdugo.Vibes here, and welcome to another video. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Today is going to be an unboxing and I'm super excited to see what's in it. I know these two things, I've actually owned both of them. So I'm very excited to see them again in my wardrobe. So we'll get into that in a sec. Before we go any further, I do want to give a plug to Driveway Conversations. It's a podcast which I'm actually going to appear on in about 2 weeks time. There's no date that's finalized yet, but there will be, and I'll list it on my IG and everything. But Driveway Conversations is these two people. I'm really good friends with them, and it's just like they record their podcast in their own driveway in a little Yaris, like in a little car, which is so intriguing. And they talk about, you know, the questions in life that not many people ever talk about. So I appeared on them a couple days ago and I'm so excited for them to drop it. So go ahead and give them a follow on Instagram. They're on Spotify, they're on SoundCloud. And yeah, I just thought I'd put it out there because it's something that I'm fucking with a lot. So highly recommend. But today's unboxing, I did have to open it just because I don't have a knife, so I haven't seen what's in it. But yeah, this is from my good friend Gabe. Fucking appreciate it, man. He literally went out of his way because I haven't paid him yet, and he still sent it anyway. And he's like, "Look, dude, just when you get the money, just give it to me. Not a big deal." So thank you, Gabe. You own half of my wardrobe, and I want it back. So yes, these two items. One of them is this. Actually, both can be discontinued, and so good. Yeah, first one up, boom, and bam, I finally got my yearling boots. These are a pair of RM Williams, the yearling boot, which actually, he told me that these are discontinued now. So when I found out that they're not doing them anymore, I was like, hey man, like, I know you're selling them, do you mind if I pick them up? Because I know you were getting rid of them and I want them. So literally both these items, the next one you'll see as well, he did for a disgusting fucking price. So thank you so much. But the yearling boot, you guys have seen them before. It is a nice, beautiful 5cm Cuban heel on this bitch. Oh my god, dude, 5cm Cuban heel, just, it works really well because I just look so much taller when I wear them, and I'm literally gonna wear these out tomorrow night, and I'm so fucking excited. Beautiful buttery leather upper as always, and he actually hasn't worn them that much. I feel like you haven't really busted them out as much as I did, but fuck yeah, the boys. Yeah, Iron Williams branding inside. You guys have seen them. If you do see them, and I know I'm saying a lot in this video because I haven't done a pickups video in so long, but fuck. If you do come across these, please just bite the bullet. Like, they are a beautiful pair of boots that don't really break the bank. They're a nice entry-level Chelsea boot that you guys can, you know, venture into if you don't know how to wear boots or if you're a little bit iffy. The price range on these were about $550 retail, and I think at the outlet they were around $495 is what I paid for these, or $450 or something like that. And I'm sorry the freaking light keeps changing, it's pissing me off, but we're gonna keep going, bro. So the yearling boot, I actually am gonna get these sold, or you know, whatever the fuck it is, I'm gonna do that because yeah, can't wait to wear those. Super beautiful, and I definitely recommend you guys go down a size. I think yeah, it's really weird they're unsized and you'd have to go in and try them. But this next one, oh, so many people, legit, there were so many people who were like, dude, I can't believe you sold it. And your boy decided to pick it up again. Oh, come here, baby. Come here and let me see you. Oh, yes, the Yoji mainline samurai tee. Oh my god, it looks so fucking beautiful. Oh man, legit, it's so nice, dude. Like, this was the only piece I owned from Yoji, and I bought this off a friend. And at the time it was a little bit too small, but I know now once like hit that goal weight, this is gonna fit. Just gonna feel like a fucking glove, man. I'm so excited. Thank you, Gabe, so much, man. Like, the price he did on both of these, I'll tell you both now. Like, he owns half of my wardrobe. I've sold him most of my stuff, and I always plug him up, and he'll do the exact same for me. And I legit paid $475 for both of them, and the boots alone are like $490, and this tee I don't know what the fuck the retail is, but Yoji, you know, Poor Home is usually pretty expensive, but this tee, just the graphic at the front, the red print, just, yeah, I'm so excited to start wearing this shit again, dude. Like, I'm so freaking keen. But yeah, I just thought I'd really do a quick video. I know you guys are wondering like where the tattoo video is, but I'm actually scheduled for a new tat in the next month, and I will do it as soon as it's done. It's a freaking tattoo that I've been wanting for a very long time, and I'm super excited to get it done. So that tattoo video will come out very soon. So just to summarize, Yoji T, Yearling boots. Not much more I can say. I've owned both of these and I'm so excited to wear them both again. It's two pieces, man, that are just gonna spice up this empty wardrobe by a lot. So I'm super keen to wear these, and thank you, Gabe, once again. And yeah, I'll leave you guys to it. Don't forget to follow me on IG. I do have a private now. If you want to follow me on the private IG too, it's Verdugo.Private, I'm pretty sure, or Verdugo.Private. I'll leave it up there for you guys to have a look at. It's literally just me doing banter. It's fucking stupid. It's so funny. So yeah, we'll leave you guys to it. Hopefully you guys have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.